Hold somebody tight.
And if she asks you why, tell her. Fibile.
Can
I do what? Continue now.
That is
Say, leave me make I dance the king dance.
Fibile.
And the joke I do.
Fibile. How are you?
It's a new week.
Yes. So I know say anytime we don't come like this, we don't fall in.
Meanwhile, I know all of you will forget to realize that my birthday is today.
But you forgive us.
See, Elenu is calling me. They are all calling me to wish my birthday. Elenu, I am on the show right now. This is my last show. I'm shooting, Elenu. Let me call you after I'm done.
Whether I will not know say my birthday.
It's my birthday and Elenu is calling me for my birthday, you see?
You will not be patient.
It's a Monday.
Whether we have plans.
Which plans?
Forget about it.
Elenu, look at the people I'm doing show with.
Happy
None of them have called me to say happy birthday
to
to me. Can you imagine?
Happy birthday.
I can't tell you about that.
Happy birthday, Shoma.
Love me.
Hey!
May Buhari's daughter.
Dream Aja.
Love me.
Happy birthday.
May Juliet
to Shoma.
To our nigga.
Our
Happy birthday to our nigga.
Yes.
One love. Many more years.
I don't realize I don't the old though.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Your baby on here.
Happy birthday.
May I do cheers with you because
my voice still no day, but we'll still do it for you.
we are going to party tonight.
Happy birthday.
Hey! Shoma.
Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Many good Lord bless you, Lord.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shoma Bosco.
Yeah, happy birthday. Yeah. Make we sharp do I go work for street. Now we'll see what you want to talk about today. When we come back, we carry on with the birthday boy and MC Shakra. Don't go anywhere. We dey come back.
You know bad now, nothing bad for them.
E dey good to marry rich person. E dey very good.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad.
Maybe bad thing, not choice. You know, if you see something where you like, you go for the thing, and you believe that if you achieve that thing, you go for the thing.
I don't really say anything bad, but love really, na be the main thing. If you love the person, marry am. If you don't love am, you go marry am. Now you know anything you see. Make you collect like that.
But one thing in life is that if you like, you marry rich. If you like, you marry poor. Anybody where God give for you, now you go marry. I always light up. If you there with person 5 years, the person poor, but the next year, God fit change in level. So me, I fit marry anybody. As far as say you get better thing to do, you go school, grab, I go marry you. Money go come.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now see Bubbles here on the watch on this Ogbonge TV station. And today, now our man birthday, Showman Bosco.
I want to give a shout out to my guys in the building. You know, I'm going to be very polite and all French and polished tonight. You know, it's been a long time knowing these guys. You know, been a long time coming. I know why you like the word coming. Everything that's coming. But what I was talking about the coming things, like guys, don't take me away from my listen. But these are nice guys. You know, I've come to realize that you are growing older every day. The people you spend more time with, you realize that it's not about.
It's a birthday vote of time. Not the wedding. If they can't even call.
And they wonder how I want to do my wedding speech. I wonder how I want to do. You must start. I'm getting married this year, so this is rehearsal. Let me make a speech.
Now this guy want to turn our Monday to freestyle.
I'm telling you.
I want to turn your Monday to morning.
No, it can't be, Monday
It can be Monday.
No, I mean Monday.
I beg, when I don't see the matter. Say na bad thing make person even talk say one marry rich person. No be bad thing. You
see?
May just wake up talk say one marry rich person.
Tell him, tell him.
I know saying that from the song when he comes sing, because you know they talk about Buhari daughter since. But for him to put her for music today, I know say he touch you, then make you bring him and stop it.
Because
Now,
really,
and no, see, no, it depends on your intention.
Yes. Tell them.
Now, if your intentions
To be a gold digger.
if your intentions they look like that of my friend, my very good friend I know in the house.
Which one? They're in your house.
That means.
Okay, that way in your house, man.
That means
which
you are not
one of my
qualified.
friend? The one with
Hey,
the
they
birthday.
house. No worry, no,
The one having his birthday. I
The
don't
one
want
with
to
the
mention
birthday.
his name.
Okay, let's not mention his
No,
name.
I don't want to mention anybody's
Okay.
name because I might not be as bold as Don Baba to just mention name. Understand? Yeah. But meanwhile,
Now this is wait, because if Odani I don't mention name, voila for day. Mention name now.
no,
You have
no,
called my
mention.
name indirectly.
But meanwhile, please, my own. I bought a new car. If you want my car, you can't have it. No, you can't. You
Say I
can't.
want to call it. I want gifts.
can't.
I want gifts like cars this year. Please,
You get a showman intention
Yeah.
for big man daughter, you are not qualified for that marriage.
No. Do you know?
I'm telling you.
Do you know? I know your number one point is intention. That you've said it's if the intention is if your intention, your motive na bad, na the bad thing.
Yeah.
But I don't have the wrong intention.
not bad.
I have a very good intention, and I
go
always
and
say
make
one
money.
thing: not to go and make money. You see,
How can
I am.
people go into marriage just because they want to make money?
No, I wonder.
I don't think it's about making money. I feel say no be bad thing. May you just decide on your own. Say I no go marry poor person.
And it's not about the poor person. It's the fact that-
No, it's
Say
good to
I no go
prophesy to
marry.
yourself.
Yeah, say I no go
Prophesy to
marry who
yourself.
no.
It's
Who no
good.
get back.
See, now.
I first want to tell myself, and you must tell yourself, because you cannot give what you don't have.
True.
So me, I first know, say, I am a wealthy store. I am not just I am a, what's
Yes,
the word?
yes,
I am a
it's normal.
conglomerate
I love-
of rich. So
I
if-
like that your word. We say you cannot give
what you don't have. Yes.
But not be in all cases. At times.
You know, say
At times,
if
they
you are
work
not
that way round.
qualified, if you are not qualified to marry a president's daughter, it's not going to be possible.
Why
You
are
go
you
in there,
saying that? Are you not saying, for instance, if Buhari daughter can see one normal
Get
guy
my
would
point.
say,
You know what I'm saying?
he goes
You're
to
not
get
getting
money.
what I'm
Now
saying.
those days it cannot happen.
What I'm saying is
again.
let me tell you what I'm saying. For instance, when I say you are not qualified, if you're not qualified, now take for instance now Shakara maybe now Buhari Pikin now if you don't look at like him. Okay, I can't use that because that's my wife. May I use your love, Dominic?
It's okay.
Now,
it's okay.
if she now don't dey look Shakara from afar, come say, okay, let me accept this Shakara's advances, you understand? Saying me like him. Then, una come jam together, come dey maybe for inside the same house. And communication no fit dey because her mentality different from your own. When she's saying A, you are saying Z, you are not qualified. You already said there's going to be a problem. So, if you see that I
you
can
know the
walk
qualification. It is not this thing you are saying. No.
I'm just
Say
giving you
cannot
one
reason without-
example.
No.
One example.
I think say where you been dey go. The reason why make me the list will be say if you no reach that level,
What level?
you cannot meet. You cannot
What level?
because they say birds of the same feather flock.
But
flock
what
together.
level?
Now,
What
that level
level?
of president daughter.
Now-
For you today, the same dinner.
Yes.
Where Buhari daughter dey.
Yeah.
Where you go fit him take meter for first
Meter,
meeting,
una
those
go
kind
talk.
thing. Your papa go at least be maybe one of these ministers.
That's
for you
the
to get
problem.
that invitation.
That's the problem about life.
No, it's
that
not
is
now.
why.
It
That is
not
why I
reasoning.
have said it
A
clearly.
street boy like me
no,
can reason
cannot.
with a president
Okay,
daughter very well.
question.
yes,
One
now,
question.
not all
One
street boys
question.
can.
One question. What if, for instance, you follow Buhari daughter go school? Una go school, the same class. Una meet, una be friends. From there, una start to the
You are even going too far. You are going too far.
see,
A Wizkid dating Lola, whatever her name is, from a rich home.
No.
A Wizkid of before cannot think of. And what I'm saying is that
the same thing.
Shakara, look, there is a level to which you can get to because most times it's not about the money. Man, if you get money, you don't see people may get money way local. You know your brothers are very
again,
local.
Why,
I'm just saying now, but they
No,
cannot.
your brother always talk and say I'm
Say-
very local. So what are you arguing?
So
If my brother said I'm local.
Fino now. I said I'm the local.
Yes, now.
I'm the local.
They all
You
like
say
it.
I know.
Asina, I'm the local.
The Henko continue. I'm the local. You don't make me
And the local.
He said there's other local. And yes, and I know that I am local.
I'm
Listen
trying to pass a ball.
But wait,
sorry to
but
cut
seriously,
you.
Showman,
There is
this guy
nothing
say the
wrong.
same school. Say you go feel as a poor man pikin, you go feel meet my brother is a lie.
What are you
No,
talking
but that
about?
is that
When you
is
go the
why-
same university,
that
I
is
wanna
why-
get the
that
same
is
class.
why
What are
I
you
am
saying
believing
now?
in.
You
that
guys
is-
can get closer. No,
I
from
believe
there
in-
this can happen.
Let me
Ogo,
break your
Shakara,
heart. Let me
Shakara.
break his heart first. I want you to cry. President daughter, university where she dey go. There's no poor man that can afford it. Do you understand me?
But
now?
let me put it to you too.
You cannot.
No, but let me tell you too.
There are people there that are not as rich
There are
as
people.
the
There are
president.
people.
They are not as
Let me
popular
explain to
as
you.
the president.
There are people.
They are not as
there are
influential
people
as the
in
presidents that will go to that
a
school.
rich man's school who are there on scholarship.
Simple.
You can have scholarship.
What are you
And
saying?
you will see yourself mingling with
And you
them.
see yourself
Now,
mingling with people
my
like
point
that.
I always say about life is this: if you are black, I would love to see a world where a black man marries a white person. I want to see that blend. A rich man marrying a poor man. So I don't believe that my father must be a minister before I can be able to assess. Korede Bello was the only artist I saw that sang at when the Buhari won the election. Korede Bello, I don't know where he come from, but I don't say no reach that level.
No, music.
But he found himself.
No.
Do you know what we are doing rather the people that we are educating? Do you know what we are doing here?
You cannot place a musician on that level of a low life guy trying to meet.
No, get my point.
No,
first.
you cannot
get
place
my
that.
point. I don't want to call
As
names.
soon as you are
I don't want to call
superstar,
names, but you know
let
you
me
are
tell you.
forcing me to call names.
No,
now.
wait.
Now, if a Korede Bello now,
Yes.
and a Terry G, who they are all doing music, and they are
When we do this break, we dey come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.